What's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Chantel and I'm back with another banger video. If you're new to the channel, my name is Chantel, a Nigerian student who creates lifestyle, fashion and beauty content. Make sure you hit that subscribe button so that you can see more of my content. And follow my Instagram, my other socials. They are in the link tree in my description box, so be sure to check that out. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up to let me know that you like this and you want more of this. And if you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back. For today's video, I'm going to be trying to fix my lashes for myself. Mind you, I've never ever fixed my lashes before. I've never fixed my lashes, so I'm going to be trying. I already have my individual lashes here. Okay, I have my lash extension glue. I'm going to be attempting to fix my lashes. This is a fail. I will not post this video. But if it comes out nice, I'll post the video because you guys know that pretty girls do not gatekeep. So let's get into the video. I have these lashes here. I've gotten lashes. I've gotten lash glue. I don't know, I don't want to show. I've got my tweezers that I would use to fix it on. Mascara. I don't think I'll really need it, but just in case, to like color the band of the lashes. And of course, my very trusty mirror. Got it here. First, I'll open up this thing. So this stuff was actually 500 and I was just so shocked, like, hey, no, I beg you, I'm not opening it the wrong way. I was like, really? 500? You guys, that's nice. Sharp. Take my money. Take my money. And then they're like, it's not 500 though. That's the other one. I was like, 500 for this thing. Then I asked their main madam. Then apparently turns out it was still 500, but then like we fixing, like for them to fix it for you is 1, 2. I don't know why I'm battling to open this thing.
A few moments later.
So I've read the directions and watched a lot of YouTube videos. So basically now the only thing we have to pray for now is luck. So what I want to do now is I've already placed my mirror on this side. So I've already tried one, but I don't know why it was just proving hard to get. It's playing with me. So I've pulled this one. So apparently you're supposed to raise up your eye. I'm supposed to put the glue first, but I'm just testing it out. Oh my god, that's just painful. So I'm just going to open up the glue. I need somewhere to like put the glue on, so maybe I'll just put it on this stuff. I'll just put it on this thing. I'll just put it on this stuff and then like dip the lash into it. I just really hope you understand what I'm trying to say. Let's pour. Let's open this thing. Oh Jesus Christ, bro! There's so much opening going on. Am I supposed to poke it? That's how this thing is here for. I don't even know what this one is used for. Okay, I think this is it. No? We'll figure this out. So, oh, is white. I was expecting it to be black. Because the one I have, like the one I used to have was black but it's white, so I might actually end up needing the mascara since it's white. So I have gotten one lash. Yo, you guys are making scared. Like it's in the skin. I'm just going to put it inside. Yo. So apparently until it turns blue, yeah. I have just watched so many videos of this stuff that I have successfully convinced myself that I may be able to do it. Me that now wears glasses. Oh god. Oh, it's on it. Oh, you guys. Okay. Right? Yeah. It's there. Oh my god, you guys, I got the first one. I think. I just hope that it's actually there because I cannot see anything. I'm trying my best to look at it. Maybe I should take my hand closer to me. Yeah. Oh. Oh. Okay. I'm holding the wrong way. Oh. You guys, I don't know if it's stuck because I cannot feel anything. Like, Abby, am I not supposed to? Okay, oh, I can feel it now. Oh, okay. I can feel it now, and I'm like just scared that the glue enter my eye. Okay, I'm not yet. So, in case it enters my eye, what am I supposed to do? It feels like it's falling off. Okay, I think that's what this stuff is for. So, like, oh my god, you guys, I'm so smart. Jesus, I'm so smart. But I don't know where it is. I don't know where it is. I'm sorry, it's supposed to turn blue. Like this, I hope you can see blue. Yo, that's the wrong way. So I'm picking another one. This I have only fixed one, and this is the only one that I've used. 4. I think one failed. I cannot find it. This is a lot more harder than those DIY gaelics make it look. Like, they make it look so easy. They're like almost anybody can do it. You guys don't believe everything you see online. Don't believe everything you see online. See how all those girls just make it look so freaking easy. Hey. Yeah, that looks abnormal. Oh Jesus, who sent me work? I just removed. Okay, I don't remove any of them. Thank God. So you guys, I think I'll just add one more because I don't want it to. I don't know. I just want it to look natural. Natural, like as if I just put mascara on or something. So that's like the type of look I'm going for. But so far this is the before and after, so I'll just fill it in and give it the look I want. And you guys, the most annoying thing just ever happened. Like my mirror just broke. Oh, jeez. Oh, that was a close one. Oh, so of course the unthinkable happened, or well, what we were obviously expecting happened. Of course, lashes and the glue entered my eye and got stuck inside my eye. But God is too good. So I got it out, and like half of the ones that I did have removed because I was trying to I think three removed because of so I'll just come back to this eye because this is the eye I was doing. So yeah, so you guys, I've done one eye, and I don't know if you can see different. Let me bring my eye closer. So this is, yeah, these are the eyes up close. So now let's get on the other eye.
So much I never change on them. I don't wanna go and do the work, bring you the damn profits. Hustle on my own, I always did know how to sell product. They ain't give me shit, I got so long, came from the damn bottom. Every nigga speaking on my name, could have some real problems. Yeah, not the same, ain't in my lane, I got my own column, yeah. Peeping shit, I'm seeing niggas fall back. You bitch ass niggas got me at the topic of the chat. You switched on me when you know you in business.